Okay, we're looking at part 4 of my garage build. Finally, the snow is all gone and contractors are back. So right now they are in the middle of installing the windows and the doors. And there was a bit of a mix-up. They had sent or they had brought the wrong siding, but now they're going to return the siding, bring the proper stuff within the next couple of days. And weather dependent, roof on Friday or the weekend. It's now Wednesday. Doors look good, windows look good. They're just tidying up a few little details. Tomorrow is the framing inspection. Hopefully everything goes well with that. There's the windows. Doors. Okay. I'll try to capture a little bit more footage if I can.
A little bit of activity this morning. Getting some more rock and gravel for the ramp up to the garage. Also doing a little bit of the gravel's also going to go in the backyard for a French drain. And there's also a roofing truck coming, hopefully. So this is the finer material. This is going to go around the back to fix up the French drain. It goes all around the property. And then we've got some more coarse gravel coming in here, obviously. I think there's another truck coming today to fill in this low spot here. There's our roofing material. Okay, well, the roof shingles are here. The roof's not going to happen today because you see the weather's turning on us. We're getting a few wet flurries and snow. The new siding also arrived. That's been put inside the building. And the guys were just here, started on the house wrap or the Tyvek. So they've got that started. And the plan is to maybe tomorrow, if we get a better weather day, to come and get this roof on. Well, it's amazing what can happen when the sun shines for about 4 days. Now my other contractor is here, and he's going to fix up the grading for the entryway into my garage. So obviously the building is about a foot higher here because of the grading of the property. So there he goes with the skid steer or the loader, whatever you call that thing. And he's going to move some rock, try to fix this up. Now the siding guys are supposed to be back today. We'll just have to work around each other, and that's what it's like. We just got to take advantage of the nice weather, and that's what these guys are doing. If we had 4 days of rain like we had before, none of this work would have happened. So pretty happy to see him here. It's a beautiful day. After about 2 weeks of gray weather and rain, the contractors are back. They've got the building fully Tyvek'd, and they've just started on the roof. So looking good. They got a lot of the roof done on the backside, starter strip up there, so yeah, make good progress today. So I'm gonna check again in a bit. All right, a little bit of an update. It's the next day again, and the contractors finished with the roof. So the building is fully roofed. It looks really good. Exact same shingles as the house. So really happy about that. This is a different crew, and these guys are doing roof end siding. So I believe the plan is they're going to come back tomorrow and start on the gray vinyl siding. So the first course load is down. That was the heavier rock on the bottom. Now we're putting the finer driveway gravel on top. So that's 2 full loads. I honestly don't think it's going to be enough for the amount of raise I have to do over there, but we'll see how it goes. We'll play by ear. The siding guys are also here, so hopefully they're not too bothered by the noise. They're probably going to start on the back, start putting some of the J trim up, some of the corners. So we'll check in again in a bit. Coming along good, making a bit more progress. You can hear the guys hammering in the back. They've started on the vinyl siding. So we'll take a peek at that a little bit later. See how much they got done. Here's the back of the building. That siding is all in. Looking good. Got the soffits done under the eaves. It's coming along. Looking good. Exact same siding as the house. Exact same roof. This is our last day before the rain. So hopefully these guys can finish this up today. Not much to do on the front because of the 2 big cutouts for the doors, but I'm gonna check in again on these guys. Did get that extra load of gravel for the driveway. Let's see how we're doing on this side, if they started. Oh, they have started. There we go. Okay, it's looking good. Promising. There's the very last bit of the siding to be done. Rain tomorrow, so hopefully they get this wrapped up. Hey guys, I'm gonna call this end of part 4. The garage is all built. It's sided, there's a roof, the trim is done. I'm still waiting on doors, so the guys are coming back with the doors. I've also got a electrician hired to come in and wire this building. So here she is for now. It's not 100% done, but I'm gonna call this done right now. Had a little bit of extra work done. Had this big hump of dirt mowed down. Got the driveway all regraded, so now it's the level actually comes up to the door. So pretty happy about that. There she is, all done. Also had a little bit of extra work done in the backyard. Got nothing to do with the garage, but we had the French drain all done for our back. So in preparation for grass, for redoing our backyard. Nothing to do with the garage, but this is also done. I say the grading of the driveway is nice. It comes right up to the doors now. And there it is for now. Okay. Thanks for watching, and There's more to come on this garage build. Again, wiring, doors. Eventually I'm going to insulate and finish this, but I'm going to leave it here for now. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.